This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to add a web link to a Google Contact. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we are in Google Contacts, and I'm going to add a link to this particular entry, Faiza. And when you look at the entry for her, you can see that there's information to like add a phone number, add a birthday, but no link available. And this is how you do it. Click the edit button or this particular one, and then scroll down. And then if you don't see an option to add a URL, click the Show More button at the bottom, and it says Add Website. Click that, and then you can either copy it, you can either copy and paste it in, or even just type it in. So I'm going to call it HTTPS. Her company is fditech.net, and then click Save. And then, because that's in the profile, whenever I click on that, it will actually open it up either in the browser, or if I'm on my phone, I can see the link that will open up in the browser on the phone. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.